Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Wrike account on your phone step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Wrike app on your phone. Within it, you will see two options, create account or login. Tap on create account. Next, Wrike will ask you how you want to sign up. You can choose sign in with Apple or sign in with Gmail. For this video, we will use sign up with email. Now enter your business or work email. Keep in mind that Wrike prefers a company email, not a professional Gmail. Once entered, tap on the sign up at the top right corner. After this, you will see two options, go to inbox and I already have an account. Tap on go to inbox. Now here comes a confusing part. The app in the inbox might look empty and that's normal. To complete your sign up, you can just open the Gmail app. Here you will see a confirmation email from Wrike. Open it and tap on the confirm email. Now within it, it will ask you to set your full name and passport. Please make sure to enter valid details. You can also choose the country or leave as it is and tap on I agree to terms of service and the privacy policy. Then after filling all the details, tap on the next and this step activates your account. And that's how you have successfully created your account and you can start creating projects, assign tasks as well as collaborate with your team in the Wrike. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.